is time for our second unboxing video. Today I will be joined by Pickle. I don't actually know what he is. Pickle? 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 Is he under the table? Oh, there you are, Pickle. You may remember Pickle from last time. He tried to eat my dinosaur and he did somehow get to. I don't know why, but he did.
Yeah, I like eating dinosaurs.
No, Pickle. No more dinosaurs eating.
I want to eat dinosaurs. Oh, no, I threw it up.
It's okay, Pickle. It's fine. The dinosaurs do not meant to be opened. Now, we will open this up for the second part. I think we're going to start with the volcano. Alright, so Pickle turned on the dinosaur for some reason.
Yay!
Pickle?
Yeah, I'm gonna go somewhere else because I don't want to get water all over me.
Good choice, Pickle. Okay, I'll put you back under your spot in the table. So, what do the instructions say? They say to peel this thing off. Oh, I can already see it in there. This is gonna be so cool. And then put water in it. Whoa! This is awesome! Even though it's getting over everything, it's still awesome. Whoa. Lava! Lava! Chickens! Steve's lava volcano! Yes. Drink. Oh, wait, there's something in there. I think that's where the arms are. I have to slowly pour this out. It's everywhere now. There's still a lot left in there, so I'm gonna pour all the water. Every last bit. Oh, I see it. Here are the arms. Okay, I will pause the video to clean these off, and then I'll come right back. So, I have gotten these clean and my table clean. So, stand upright. Okay. Now I'm going to put the arms on. And after I do this, my friend Pickle can come back. Oh, this is awesome. Roar. Roar. It works if you put batteries in it, I think. I just don't know how, but I'll figure that out after I open up the mini eggs. Pickle, you want to come back?
Me? Me. I'm ready to open these up.
Okay, Pickle, let's start with this one. Which one do you think we guys are gonna get? I want the golden ones. I really want them.
And these are pencil heads?
Yes, they are pencil toppers.
Cool.
One. Break. We got a golden egg. We got the golden one.
I want a golden one.
Spit it out. Spit it out. Okay. So we got the golden one. What's the next one we're gonna get? A red bison. This one's really rare too. And then the last one. green snake. These are the 4 things I got. I got the polar bear with crystals on it. I got the golden egg, which is rare. I got the bison, and I got the snake. So that was everything I got in this pack. I think this was really good. I think all the Smashers toys are really good.
Yeah, I think it too.
Nom, 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 nom. Help. Please like, subscribe, and share. And goodbye.